We are slipped down here into these bottoms, and we're working this, I guess it's probably a four-wheeler trail or a walking trail here along that kind of skirts the edge of these bottoms. Wind is up a little bit, but it's a beautiful day. Found some turkey scratchings right here. Had some tracks back there. We're gonna keep slipping around here. This bottom opens up a little bit on the other side, and maybe they're in there. All right, I'll make this quick. We located a bird down in that bottom after we got down there. He's working his way down the other side. I made it back out to this old trail. I'm gonna take this trail. It looks like the corner of that bottom and this trail intersect. Well, that was fun. I think that's that bird we glassed from up there. It turned out to be a jake, which is not legal in Arkansas. So we're gonna head back up this road. I did get the mic on in time to catch some of that soft, soft yelping and purring and clucking, and I think that's one of the misconceptions about turkeys is, you hear the rule, call every 5 minutes or call every 10 minutes or call every couple minutes, and that's just not the way turkeys walk around the woods. Most of the time the sounds they're making are not something that you can hear from, 50 yards or sometimes even 20 or 30 yards. Well, guys, I think that's going to do it for today. Unless there's a miracle on the way back to the truck.